Hi everybody, we are here with the new questions. Let's look at the questions and summarize some important points, the key parts, and discuss right after the summarization and think about what we can do, okay? Okay, let's look at the question. This is very simple billing program. Ask the user from the starting hour, ending hour, both given the 24 format. Like the 1 p.m. is 13, 2 p.m. is 14. Okay, so let's take some important part from the questions and move on accordingly. This is gonna be a billing program. Okay, we are writing a billing program and it should be 24 hours format, right? So the charge is another key part that we're gonna calculate the cost of the usage. The charge is 5.5 per hour. That's fine. Print out the user's total bill. So the total bill is going to be calculated for every hour that has been used for the service. So you can assume that the service will be used at least 1 hour and never more than 21 hours. At least 1 hour is going to be used, so other than this, it's not going to be charged, right? At least 1 hour and more is 23 hours. Never more than 23 hours, okay? And the other steps we can discuss is starting hours is before midnight and the ending time is after midnight. Okay, we can just directly paste here midnight. Okay, these are the 4 steps and we're gonna talk about here. Okay guys, and let's look. What we can do is there are some customers, they need to enter the starting points and ending points. Enter the starting hours and enter the ending hours in order to calculate the billing program. So we're gonna ask the user a question for the starting hour. So we're gonna use input again in order to get information from the end user, and we're gonna ask them enter starting hour. So we need to give an information like it should be between 1 to 23, okay? Okay, so since it is number, it should be integer or eval is going to be converted, and end is gonna be again input is going to be entered by the user, right? Again between the 0 and 23 because it shouldn't be past the 23 hours based on the question is asking for. Let me copy this part and paste here. Yeah, oh my god, quotation marks makes me crazy all the time. Let me delete here. Okay, and I'm gonna just do like that. Sorry, it is going to take a little bit more time. Okay, here it's done. It's gonna be ending hour. Okay, so this could be also between 0 and 23. What we're gonna do is, based on the question, starting hour is before midnight. So this before midnight mean, so the ending is gonna be greater than starting, right? So what we're gonna do is, if n is greater or equal start, then the print is total. So we are calculating the total bill that we collected based on the information that we get from the user, right guys? Okay, so so we're gonna calculate the last use and minus the first use, start, and we're gonna multiply with the 5.50 since each hour is $5.50. If it is 24 hours, so else print total. So this time we're gonna use the 24 hours format. If it is asking in the 24 hours format, then we're gonna convert them to 24 hours, and it's going to be added to end and multiplies with 5.50. Okay, so you got this part, right? So the end minus, let's say the end is 20 and the start is 8, it's gonna be 12 hours. What about the user ask in the 24 hours? So start says 23, so they start from before midnight, 23 or 22. It's going to be 4 times, and ending is gonna be like the 6. It's going to be -2, something like that. It shouldn't be -2, sorry. It should be like the starting is gonna be greater than the ending, or vice versa. Okay, let's write 2019. Oh, forgot equal again. Let's write like this. Okay, it's $126. So that $126. You can say like this if you like. 2016. It's gonna be $110. $110. Okay, what we did here, the starting point. It says the starting hours in before midnight. Before midnight is kinda we can call like 22 p.m., which is 10, right? Or we can call the 21 p.m., which is 9 p.m. So the starting could be 23. So the starting is gonna be 1 this time. The ending is gonna be 6 a.m. in the morning, 6. And this time the total is gonna be 7, right? Let me write down. Let's write 22, and ending is 6, is $44, because it is just 2 plus 8 times 5.50. So this is it, guys. Hopefully you got the idea behind the question. Have a wonderful day.